Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
The popular Nollywood actress Ojo is just a proud mom today as her second child and only daughter, Priscilla, celebrates her 22nd birthday today. The actress shared gorgeous photo of her daughter, especially taken for the occasion on her Instagram page, and showered her with accolades, love, and beautiful words. Ojo's daughter Priscilla has been counting down to her 22nd birthday today, March 13, as she's going all out to celebrate it. The birthday girl, who had been teasing fans all week long, dropped gorgeous photos to mark the special occasion. Ojo also took to her Instagram page with photo of her beautiful daughter as she gushed over her. As we can see, a lot of gorgeous classic decoration for her birthday. Let's watch the video for more.